Erdent copper molybdenum mine is a world-famous large non-ferrous mine and the largest non-ferrous mine in Mongolia. The annual processing capacity of raw ore is 31.5 million tons, and the annual yield of copper concentrate converted into copper metal is 160,000 tons. In 2011, Naipu Mining signed a contract with Erdent to build a plant with an annual output of 6 million tons, the third grinding production line of Erdent. The project was completed in June 2016 and reached the design output only 3 months after it was put into operation. The system operates stably, the equipment is safe and reliable, and its process equipment technology has reached the advanced level of the international mining industry. With the development of the industry and the demand for the development of Erdent copper molybdenum mine, it is proposed to add another line, namely the fourth grinding production line with an annual output of 6 million tons. In view of the history of friendly cooperation between the two sides and the comprehensive strength of Naipu Mining, Naipu won the bid again to undertake the EPC project of Erdent's annual production line 4 with an annual output of 6 million tons at the end of 2019. The construction of the project was completed on August 2022, and the whole line was put into production with the materials. With the efforts of all project team members, the rated handling capacity was reached in September, and the process equipment technology will reach the international leading level. Technological process. Grinding part. In this project, the C200 crusher from Sweden Mesto is added on the basis of the original primary crushing station. The crusher is fed by a GBZ 2200 by 15,000 heavy plate feeder. The crushed ore is transported to 2 thigh 10 × 24 meters raw ore silos by belt. Mill feeding. The ore is delivered to the mill machine through 4 heavy plate feeders and a long belt under the raw ore bin, and the ore feeding amount reaches 850 tons per hour. The grinding equipment is composed of 5 9.75 × 4.88 SAG mill and a 5 6.71 × 9.75 overflow ball mill of CITIC heavy industry. The equipment performance is stable, and the use status is highly praised by various professionals of Erdent. The mill discharge is equipped with 2 Austrian IFE 2400 × 6000 vibrating screens. The ore above the screen are transported to the crushing plant through 2 belt conveyors for further crushing, and the ore below the screen enter the pump sump. After entering the pump sump, the ore are transported to the hydrocyclone by 2 sets Naipu 550 NZJA slurry pumps for classification, 1 pump for operation, and 1 for standby. This type of slurry pump is also used in the Line 3. The service life is long, and the maintenance is simple. The field engineers highly approved of this type slurry pump. Therefore, this type slurry pump is also used in the Line 4. The classification equipment adopts 2 sets, 838 × 10 hydrocyclones produced by the Naipu. Each slurry pump corresponds to 1 set of hydrocyclones separately. This scheme is convenient for equipment maintenance, with stable performance, high classification efficiency, long service time, and simple replacement. The overflow products are transported to the main pipe of the concentrator through the metal-lined rubber pipe produced by the Naipu and sent to the flotation workshop for the next flotation classification. The new Line 4 water supply system supplies water from the 2 existing collection tanks to the pump sump, and then is delivered to the existing and old plants by 2 clean water pumps. The project adopts high voltage and low voltage power supply systems, DCS control systems, CCTV video monitoring systems, ABB software and hardware of international famous companies. Its technical level has reached the international leading level. At the same time, a 110 kV substation is provided for the project.